It's still about 10 minutes away, I think. Smells really good.
That's heaps, Laura. Yeah.
Renee?
Yo.
I'm gonna get your Italian meringue wicking.
Get ready.
First of all, I'm helping Renee out the meringue so it can form into rock formations, put little boulders around, the centerpiece. We want to infuse some flavour into these. We come up with this idea to crush mandarin segments, put them on top, so you can give it a bit of a more edgy feel to these, to these rocks.
Dax.
Load them all up and I put them in the oven.
Dax.
You all right, Steve?
Yeah.
5 minutes in, I realised that the mandarins are starting to brown very, very quickly. The meringues haven't even cooked yet, and the mandarins are starting to go off on their own tangent.
Amelia, do they look like they're burning?
What's the temperature?
160.
Yeah, get it out.
It's just a rookie error of putting dehydrated segments into an oven, and it burns them instantly.
I'm gonna have to dish these.
We have to make a new batch, and time's very, very low.
Our first course needs to be really visually impressive because it's the first thing that the diners are going to see when they come in. So Tash is making the tempered chocolate trees with a sponge on top to give some height to the table and to make it look impressive.
The aim is to have trees that are 2 feet tall. We don't have big enough acetate and it's not peeling properly off the baking paper, so I don't think it's going to work. At that point, I don't think 2 feet trees are going to be able to hold their own. I'm worried about the stability of the structure. We don't have big enough sheets of acetate. And this is too hot, so I'm scraping stuff off the bench and it's not like... There's definitely going to be height elements missing from the centerpiece. Focus on making smaller trees, yeah? Yeah.
This table is not just about taste, but so much about looks, and knowing we're not going to have these impressive looking trees, this is hugely disappointing. I'm not really off to a good start at the moment. It's just an absolute disaster.
Right, guys, just so you know, you've got 1 hour to go. So if things aren't working, maybe you need to ditch them, come up with something different, because that centerpiece has to be ready when the customers come through the door.
Hustle.
Straight.
We're going to surround you.
Nice.
Right. So footprints in a garden, walking through a garden. I like that.
Yeah. So they're going to be, the actual bit that you eat will be giant footprints. So the footprints will be made out of soil, like he's picked up soil as the base. So Laura's making a template of a foot from her boots.
Right.
Tracy is making the soil.
Yep.
And then...
also, it's a boot print.
Boot print, like a big, gardener.
Good idea.
So this is our mad chocolate dirt. I'm just rolling some out. I've got some in the oven, but this is just resting now. We're going to process it and crumb it very, very soon.
Byron's mixing the marshmallow that I'm going to pipe into the shape of carrots.
Awesome. Go for it.
I start spooning the mixture into the piping bag.
Weird marshmallow.
The marshmallow isn't marshmallow, it's kind of a split Italian meringue. It's grainy, it looks terrible.
I don't know if I can make them look like carrots.
I'm very stressed out. This is one of the most important elements of our centerpiece, and time's running out.
What's going on, guys? What's happening with the marshmallow?
It's kind of like an overdone meringue.
It's got bits in?
Yeah, it's just not good.
Overwhip your egg whites?
I didn't make it, I don't know. I'll redo it and then see what happens.
We just really need to hustle on that. We just need to, get them up.
Okay, guys, I'm getting really worried here. If it was me, I'd be thinking about all hands on deck and have a plan on plating that first course. You've got half an hour to go.
Yeah, okay.
Let's get moving.
Okay. Look at the customers, I want one of those. How am I looking, Amy?
Time's flying by, and I know that we still have so much to do. If I don't start delegating, then we're not going to get these dishes up in time.
The table is really long.
We really need to start getting the whole team onto this first course. We're just not going to get there otherwise.
If you can pause on that one, and if we can get help on the first one.
I fire up as captain and try and get that red team back on track.
What are you up to at the moment? Can you please get this buttercream? And then we need to spread it onto these.
To add some height to the table now that we don't have those trees, Rachel gets on to using the foam moulds to make a grass mound.
Yep, just drizzle.
We need to create those carrot cake pops.
It's carrot cake with an orange tempered white chocolate on the outside. Behind with hot pine.
It's starting to come together quite well.
They're going to stand them and they're going to look like trees on our main decoration.
So I'm thinking that we might still get there.
So in 10 minutes we're going to go out and assemble it.
Come on, let's go. Give it a push. Come on.
I want to get started plating up that centerpiece soon. I'm quite concerned. It doesn't seem like we have that many elements together, and I'm really concerned about this table looking bare.
You gonna be ready?
I hope so.
Have you got enough stuff to plate with? Or?
Yeah.
I can't see a lot of elements.
We've got the carrot fudge setting. We've got our crumb done. We've got a creme about to go into the glass sheeler in little moulds, so they'll be set.
All right, I won't hold you up. I know you've got lots to do. So
Yeah,
crack
thank
on.
you. Renee's redoing the carrot marshmallow. It's a crucial element of our centerpiece. How's your marshmallow looking?
Okay.
What does that mean?
It's okay, I'm just pouring it in now.
That marshmallow is taking a long time. If it's not ready in time, our centerpiece is ruined. We really need these pipes. Yeah, get it out. Originally, I wanted to have the marshmallow piped and set into the shape of carrots, but we don't have time for that anymore, so I've decided to pipe it directly onto the table in the shape of carrots. Yep. I'm just hoping that it will look okay.
You've got 10 minutes before the first customers come in.
Jamie, I want you to play with me.
I see how large the table is, and I do start to freak out a little bit.
We're piping some of the marshmallow as if they're growing out of the ground, off the soil of the footprint, and we're piping others into little unearthed carrots. They don't look exactly like I would have liked, but they're still looking carroty.
Fill the gaps with the grass. We start putting it together and it's looking a little bit messy and definitely not as refined as we'd imagined.
Oh my God, what a mess.
Hopefully those other elements are gonna make it look impressive.
The tree things are not sticking on. I think they're not stable enough. And I instantly go into panic mode. They've all fallen off, every single one of them. Every single one of them.
Can you go around and just, you can just like lean them in?
5 minutes before the first customers come in.
I'm starting to feel the pressure now. If I can't make the trees work, it's game over.
And remember, there's 3 more courses behind this.
I'm feeling so worried for the red team at the moment.
Georgia, Amelia, you're 2 minutes now.
Yeah, I just need that chantilly cream.
There it is.
All right, pipe. Go. We've got a minute. Pipe. Race down to the bottom. It's done from this side up.
All right, that's it. 1 minute to go. Customers are coming in. Last little touches and out of here.
I'm actually surprised that we've gotten as many elements together as we have, so I'm feeling pretty pleased that we've got it all together.
Next to the blue teams, I'm thinking, oh my God, because the blue teams looks really, really elegant and refined, whereas ours looks like a little bit of a green mess.